In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a book title on KDP, specifically designed as a KDP tutorial for beginners. Navigating the world of self-publishing can be a bit daunting at first, but once you get the hang of the essentials, you'll find it quite straightforward. First, let's kick things off by starting a new book setup on KDP. Head over to your KDP dashboard. If you're not already signed in, make sure you use your Amazon account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that prompts you to create a new book. It's usually quite prominent on the homepage or under the Your Bookshelf section. Click there to begin the setup process. Now, moving on to the next step, you need to locate the book title field. This is where the magic starts to happen. You'll find this field on your book setup page, typically under the Paperback Details or Book Details section, depending on whether you're publishing a paperback or an ebook. It serves as the declaration of what your book represents, so make sure you pay close attention to how you're entering the information. Once you've found the book title field, it's time to enter your main title. Be sure to input this exactly as you want it to appear when your book goes live. Double-check the spelling and presentation, and ensure it aligns with any branding or style you've committed to. Remember, this title is essentially the face of your book, and the very first thing readers will see, so make it compelling and accurate. Avoid unnecessary punctuation or symbols, as this might cause issues with how it's displayed across different platforms. After you have carefully entered your main title, you'll want to save all your details. This step solidifies your input and makes sure that none of your hard work gets lost. Look for the Save and Continue button, or a similar option. It's usually located at the bottom of the page. Click this button to secure your entries. This action will also lead you to the next steps of the publishing process if you're ready to proceed. And there you have it, a simple and easy way to enter a book title on KDP. With these steps, you can make sure that your book title is perfectly presented to captivate your audience. Don't rush through these steps. Take your time to ensure accuracy, and soon enough, you'll have a polished entry ready to publish. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in your KDP publishing journey. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and